Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a refreshing dessert that's easy to make, loaded with tropical flavor, and perfect for hot days, you're going to love this easy mango sago recipe. This creamy, fruity treat is incredibly satisfying, and you don't need any fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients. Whether you're hosting a party, celebrating a special occasion, or just craving something delicious, this recipe will become your go-to dessert. So grab your apron and let's dive into how to make this irresistible mango sago at home. Before we get started, here's everything you'll need for this easy mango sago recipe. 1 cup of sago pearls, plenty of water for boiling the sago, 1 large ripe mango, 1 can of fruit cocktail, 2.5 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. Ice cubes, optional, for extra chill. These simple ingredients come together to create a creamy, fruity dessert you'll want to make again and again. Step 1. Cooking the sago pearls. First, let's cook the sago pearls. Sago gives this dessert its unique, chewy texture. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Once it's boiling, add 1 cup of sago pearls. Cook them on high heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After 5 minutes, reduce the heat to low to medium, cover the pot with a lid, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know the sago is ready when the pearls turn completely translucent without any white centers. Pro tip: if you overcook the sago, it can get mushy. Keep an eye on the timer and check for doneness early. Once they're cooked, pour the sago into a strainer and rinse thoroughly under cold water. This step stops the cooking process and removes excess starch, so the pearls stay separate and springy. Step 2. Preparing the mango and other ingredients. While the sago cools, let's prep the fruit. Take your ripe mango, peel it, and cut it into small cubes. Fresh mango adds natural sweetness and a burst of tropical flavor. If you prefer, you can chill the mango pieces in the fridge while you finish the rest of the recipe. Open your can of fruit cocktail and drain any excess syrup. If you haven't already, soak your chia seeds in a little water for about 10 to 15 minutes until they expand and form a gel-like texture. Chia seeds not only add nutrition, but also give a fun crunch. Step 3. Mixing it all together. In a large mixing bowl, add the cooled, strained sago pearls, the mango cubes, the drained fruit cocktail, the soaked chia seeds. Pour in 2.5 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk for creaminess and a touch of extra sweetness. Stir everything gently until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Optional. For a colder, more refreshing dessert, add a few ice cubes or refrigerate the mixture for an hour before serving. Why this easy mango sago recipe is special. What makes this easy mango sago recipe so special? It's simple enough for beginners, but feels gourmet. The chewy sago pearls create a unique texture you won't find in ordinary puddings. Mango and fruit cocktail add natural sweetness and vibrant color. Chia seeds provide extra fiber, making this dessert a little healthier. You can customize it easily, use coconut milk instead of dairy milk for a tropical twist, or swap in other fruits like lychee or strawberries. If you've never tried making sago before, this is the perfect recipe to improve your kitchen confidence. You'll learn how to cook the pearls just right, balance the flavors, and create a dessert that impresses your family and friends. Serving tips and variations. Here are a few ideas to take your easy mango sago recipe to the next level. Top with extra fresh mango slices for added visual appeal. Sprinkle crushed nuts or toasted coconut on top for texture. Drizzle with a little extra condensed milk if you love it sweeter. Make it vegan by using almond or coconut milk and a plant-based sweetener. I hope you loved learning how to make this delicious, easy mango sago recipe. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments. Did you stick to the classic version or put your own spin on it? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy, crowd-pleasing recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!